Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create dynamic outline effect. Create Fusion composition, place it on the timeline and switch to Fusion. Add your media file and connect it to media out. Add background node, choose color and connect rectangle mask to it. Adjust the size using width and height parameters. Set keyframe on the center parameter. At frame 0, move mask outside the screen. Go 30 frames forward and move the mask beyond the opposite edge of the screen. Repeat the process. Add magic mask node and connect video to it. Select object and set quality to better. Set a refine range to 20. Start tracking. Add 2 merge node. Connect background to the first one and magic mask to the second. Now mask move behind the object. To create outline, add a rod delete node. Connect magic mask to it and route the output into the first merge node. Use amount parameter to control the outline thickness. Done. To learn even more about capabilities of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.